Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to do a review about 3 Kaido House Mini GT models. Yeah, you see 4, but these 2 are the same. Not sure why I ordered 2. Probably I forgot that I ordered it, and then I ordered another one. We will start with this one. Nissan Skyline GT-R R33 Active Carbon RV1. That's a lot. Let's have a look at the box first. Yeah, got a nice carbon fiber looking box. Wait a minute, I'm going to take off the... And an incision right here. Yeah, nice carbon fiber looking box. Here we got some information. We can see Mini GT is active on social media. Barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. And we can see, very important, that it is an official licensed product. Get the other side and this side. Okay, this is not the chase. I have seen the chase on the Tarmac event, and it looked very cool, but you can't have it all. Yeah, very nice looking base with the purple chrome flat tires. Not sure what I think about these tires. These are, I don't know. It's cool that there is Edwin on the profile. Do have an opening part here. Yep. I put new batteries inside, and now it is a little bit too much. Here we can see, I love the engine details. Yeah, good looking interior. Brown seats. Not bad at all. No opening part here in the back. We do have a license plate and a silver exhaust tip. I forgot to mention that. Good rolling wheels. Very nice rims. To be honest, I'm not a super big fan of this casting. It looks a little bit weird for... what's the name that I'm looking for R33, but it's Nissan Skyline Kaido House version R33. It feels heavy though, I like that. That feels like quality. And the cool thing about box package, you can put it back in the box. And we have, I think this is another one, yeah, also Nissan Skyline, but this is the GReddy version. Let's see, and an incision right here. So here we got the back, official licensed product, and a Motul logo, barcode and article number. cool picture here on the side. It is not the honor that you keep, but the heritage you'll leave behind. Okay. Yeah, lanced front lights, a GTR logo in the middle, cool intercooler, a little bit of carbon fiber here on the spoiler, down below with the motul, I like that. Cool black rims. This is a very nice and clean version. Well, not clean because here is GReddy. Also a GReddy license plate. Looks like a carbon fiber looking dashboard. I like that. The side mirror got a little bit of damage here on the side mirror. Looks like it. I think it's supposed to be all white, but it is not. It's not that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a big fan of these Kaido house bases. Rubber tires, slick, and a silver exhaust, just like the other one. And here we got a black interior. For a second I thought the seats were also in carbon fiber. Nah. No color details, but interior looks very nice. What does it say here on the side? Nostalgic classics. Cool. And yes, although it is probably the same, I have to check because it might be a chase. So that's the only reason I'm opening it. That's not the reason I've ordered two. So we only check if it is a chase. Nah, not a chase. Not a chance, it is a chase. Okay, then the last one. This is going to be my favorite from this video. Nismo, Nissan Motor Sports International, Datsun 510. Designed in Los Angeles by Jun Imai. Yeah. This one says also by Jun Imai. Thank you, Jun Imai, for these very cool models. I buy these models at Tom's Model Autos, Tom's Model Cars in the Netherlands, biggest diecast car store in the world, Datsun. Oh yeah, this one is definitely my favorite. Damn, this one is looking good. Like those rims. Kaido house here on the side of the window. Nismo. Sweet. Rubber side mirrors. Forgot to show you the other engine. Yeah. Ooh, and those seats. Hallelujah. Check those seats. Those are nice bucket seats. Good looking interior. Love those red seats. Roll cage inside. Nismo license plate. And a beautiful base. Again, slick tires, rubber. There we go. See, it's a different color than the other one. Now I have to show the other one too. Et voila. Purple and gray. This is even better. Oh, no, don't do it like this, please. That's better. Yeah, I think I have something cool right here. Because here I've got the other one. Let's see, I believe it is from, what is it, Tarmac? Yep, Tarmac. Metal base, metal body. So here you see that the one from Kaido House is pretty big. Yeah, wheels are bigger, but also the casting is a lot bigger. A lot higher. So some more length. I think the one from Tarmac is true 164. Yeah. Let's do it like this. Kaido House is much, but it is bigger. Already thought so. Yeah, I like them both. I think this is very cool. The wheels inside, and I like this one too. Original, the classic. Yeah. But this base is very cool. The interior with the bucket seats and the opening part. This one maybe also has an opening part, who knows? Nope. No opening part for this one. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and I will see you soon. Bye.